Hi guys, my name is Corey. I work here at Mercedes-Benz of Bend, and I wanted to show you how Mercedes is actually redefining the voice recognition and the voice commands. So a couple things that a lot of people are used to with their voice recognition and voice commands is the car not understanding them. And I have a mask on right now, and this car is going to do everything that I ask it to do, which is kind of cool. A couple things. Right now it's kind of cold in here at 68 degrees, and I'm going to have it change it up to 70. Okay. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
I'm cold.
I'm setting the temperature on the driver's side to 70 degrees.
So if you notice, I didn't have to hit any buttons. All I had to do was just talk to the car and it changed it up to 70 degrees for me. Now I can ask it to actually change it to a particular temperature if I wanted to. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Change my temperature to 80 degrees.
I'm setting the temperature on the driver's side to 80 degrees.
Now if you notice there, it does recognize if the driver or passenger is talking, which is really unique. Seems how there are 3 climate controls in this vehicle. Another feature that you can do if you want it to be a little more bright inside the vehicle, you can actually open the sunshade without hitting any buttons. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Open sunshade.
Okay, I'm opening the roller sun blinds.
So if you notice, it actually does the sunshade and the rear windows for the sun blinds there, which is kind of nice, especially if you have people sitting in the back. Another thing that you can do, check this out. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
What's the temperature outside?
The outside temperature is 58.9 degrees Fahrenheit.
I've never seen a car give you a decimal on the outside temperature, which is pretty cool. Now, let's say you're on a long trip and you don't know how much gas you have left and you don't want to fiddle around with your instrument cluster here. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
How far can I go on my current gas mileage?
You can still drive 95 miles.
Gives you a nice little update, lets you know how far you can go. You know, there are a couple other features in here, like the ambient lighting. Right now it's currently on green. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Change my ambient lighting to blue.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
So as you notice there, it went from green to blue. Really nice little feature. Another thing you probably can't see right now is I have the heads-up display on. In town, this probably isn't something that you would want on, so I'm going to turn it off. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Turn off heads-up display.
I'm switching off the head-up display.
Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Take me to Portland, Oregon.
Please select an entry.
2.
The route is being calculated. Please proceed to the highlighted route.
Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Cancel route guidance.
Stopping route guidance.
Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Turn on the passenger air-cooled seat.
I'm switching on the seat ventilation on the front passenger seat.
You know, I can even turn on my heated seat without hitting the button. Hey Mercedes, turn on my heated seat.
I'm switching on the seat heating.
As you notice, the heated seat is on. So, and to close this out, hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Close sunshade.
I'm closing the roller sun blinds.
Didn't have to do anything. Well guys, you know, that's a couple different ideas that you can get when you are using your voice recognition and your voice commands. If you have any questions, come see us at Mercedes-Benz of Bend.